Please turn your TV to channel 111.
I'm Matthew Santos.
I'm Christopher Carney.
And welcome to the Bird's Eye View. A reminder for those grade 9, 10, and 11 mathematics scholars. Those wishing to sign up for University of Waterloo Mathematics Contest, which will be written period 1 on Tuesday, February 24th in the CAF, please sign up sometime this week through your current math teacher. Or, if you have math next semester, please sign up in the math office on Thursday, January 15th. Signees will receive a copy of, and full solutions to, last year's contest for preparation purposes. Don't be a shy sign-up and have some math fun.
Today after school in room 209, there's a junior boys hockey meeting. Once again, in case you didn't hear me the first time, there's a junior boys hockey meeting today after school in 209.
Attention all flag football fanatics. Please check the message board for more information.
This announcement is for the graduating class. Edge Imaging will be here Monday, January 19th and Tuesday, January 20th from 10 to 12 to collect the grad orders and answer any questions you may have. Also, this is an opportunity to pick up the proofs if you haven't.
This is a reminder to all students that January 14th, 15th, and 16th, counselors will be collecting My Blueprint sign-off sheets and the $65 activity fee at all 3 lunches.
Aquinas, y'all want some basketball? It's finally back. All students are welcome. Guys, girls, permission forms are available from Mr.
Schaller.
Schaller. Ooh, Schaller. In room 111. Games will be played once a week from 7:30 to 8. Fee is $20, which includes team shirts and championship trophies. Please return forms and money to register. Yay.
Did you hear what the Aquinas girls did over the Christmas break?
I don't know. What did they do?
They went to Florida for a tournament. Let's take a look. Over the Christmas break, Aquinas girls rugby headed to Florida to play a tournament against Naples, Sebastian River, and Rivera Beach. Let's see how they did.
Breakaway run from number 13 ends in a try.
Number 38 breaking 2 tackles in a row.
And a beautiful pass followed by a great run.
Number 3 crashes for the try.
Number 38 going down but taking 3 of the opponents with her.
Sebastian River about to score an amazing try. Wait, never mind, sorry. The Lady Cardinals dominated the tournament with only 1 loss, taking first place. Amazing job, girls.
Wow, that was an amazing sport. Great job, girls. Let's take a look at another type of sport that I don't know how to play because, yeah, whatever. Just roll the volleyball clip, please.
Good try, girl.
Amazing job, ladies. Now let's take a look at how the seniors did. Hey Matthew, what did you do last Friday?
Nothing.
Well, you should have gone to the vocal jazz concert. I heard it was amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look.
On January 9, 2015, the grade 12 vocal jazz class held their semester-end performance at the Brian Dunn Theater. Thank you to Mr. Thomas, Ms. McDougall, and the grade 12 vocal jazz class. Great job, everyone, and good luck next semester.
Such amazingly talented voices. Trini, do you know what a one act is?
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's too bad if you know or not, because we're going to show you it.
Okay.
One acts are coming. January 26th, the grade 11s. January 27th, the grade 12s. At the Brian Dunn Theater. Starts at 7 p.m. Donations are welcomed. See you there.
That looks like it's going to be great. You scared for exams?
Nah, I only got one.
You lucky. Let's take a look at the do's and don'ts for exams.
Hey, yo, Aquinas, exams are coming up, so here's some do's and don'ts for them. Don't be late for your exams. That's not good. Do be on time for your exams. That's a good thing. Don't stay up all night studying. That's really, really bad.
Where are we time-wise?
Do get a good night's sleep. You're gonna need it for the exams, like this guy hibernating over there. And don't procrastinate on your studies. That's a really bad thing. This girl's just sitting there playing video games. Oh, yo, go right. Go left. Go left there. No, she went. Do study. I recommend the library. It's nice and quiet. Except when I'm there. So Aquinas, don't be a don't student. Be a do student. Good luck, guys.
Good luck, everyone. Well, sadly, this is our final bird's eye, so I figure we'll go out with a little bit of a goodbye video. Let's roll it.
Hey, this was really fun.
We hope you liked it too.
Seems like we've just begun when suddenly we're through. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. 'Cause now it's time to go. But hey, I say, well, that's okay.
'Cause we'll see you very soon, I know.
Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye.
Goodbye.
And tomorrow, just like today, the moon, the bear, and the big blue house will be waiting for you to come and play. To come and play, to come and play. Bye now.
I'm gonna miss you guys. Well, thank you to all our amazing viewers. Thank you to the class of Birdseye. Thank you to all the teachers. Thank you to everyone who's helped. And a special thank you to Mr. Fitzpatrick for allowing us to do this. I'm Matthew Santos.
And I'm Chris Carney.
I like long walks on the beach.
And I love candlelit dinners. Goodbye, Aquinas.
The heck?
Take the mug, please.